Hey guys, welcome back to another week here on Mash Your Hair. By popular request, this week's video I'm going to show you guys in 5 simple steps how to exfoliate your scalp using my double cleansing method. Double cleansing method, what's that you ask? Let's just dive right in and I'll show you exactly what the double cleansing method is all about. Today is wash day. So usually when I wash my hair, I like to wash it 2 times to make sure I get rid of all the product buildup, anything that's left there, any dead skin. But also once a month, I like to exfoliate my scalp. You're gonna need something that is gentle enough, but tough enough on the scalp to get rid of the buildup. You could either use a teasing comb or you can use a toothbrush. Just make sure it's clean. You're going to need some sort of scalp scrub. The one that I'm going to use today, the Crown Scalp Scrub by R&Co. So the way they recommend using this product says massage a walnut-sized amount into the entire scalp until you feel exfoliants fully dissolve, rinse thoroughly. Hair will feel shiny and royally clean. Follow with a nourishing R&Co conditioner to mid-lengths and ends. I'm going to use this a little bit differently. That's part of my double cleansing method. So let me show you guys. I'm going to start off using my teasing comb. This is a little bit better for anyone who has a lot of product buildup, which is me. Step 1. I'm going to work in vertical sections along my head. Rub the teasing comb in a circular motion to get rid of any product buildup. I'm going to start here. Let's go in a circular motion and you guys can see the product. So I know, because it's also wash day, I have a lot of product. I just want to make sure to do this along my whole entire head to make sure I'm getting the whole scalp cleansed. Okay, other side. The hairline, you guys, always has the most. So I usually like to go back in and just get it again. Okay, so that was step 1 of my double cleansing method. Now let's jump into step 2. Step 2 is to repeat step 1, except this time add in the Crown Scalp Scrub. I'm gonna apply the crown on a toothbrush instead of using my TZ brush. So I'm gonna add about a dime size on my toothbrush. I will go in and reapply as needed. First, I'm gonna distribute. As you guys can see too, there's some little beads in there that's gonna help dissolve and kind of disintegrate the product buildup. I'm gonna go through in circular motions and repeat. This is really great and is just gonna go in and get the rest of the impurities. And this is why I call it my double cleansing method. As we did the first time, we want to make sure we give the hairline a little extra love and go back in and get it again. All right, now we have successfully finished step number 2. Now we're gonna do step number 3, which is to shampoo my hair using the residual crown that's in my hair right now. My 4th step is to double shampoo my hair. I'm gonna use something that is hydrating but also cleansing at the same time. You could use a clarifying if you wanted, or you could use whatever's in your shower, as long as it's a professional brand. Last but not least, the 5th step is to condition your hair using a deep conditioning mask on the mids to ends. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then rinse and style as needed. All right, you guys, I have successfully finished steps 3, 4, and 5. Now let's take a look at the results. I always like to go through, just kind of examine my scalp, make sure everything looks nice and clean. It's absolutely okay if you see some flakiness within the next couple of days. It may just be you missed some spots when you were shampooing your hair. It's totally okay and totally normal. She looks nice and clean, so fresh. There's no residual product being left in the hair. The hairline looks really great and clean, as you can see. That's where I had the majority of my product buildup, some being makeup and some of it being hair products. All right, there you guys have it. That is this week's tutorial, how to exfoliate your scalp using my double cleansing method in 5 simple steps. If this video was helpful, please like, share, comment, share with all your friends. Thank you guys so much for making it to another week here on Mash Your Hair, and I will see you guys next week. Thanks, bye!